Axonics USA. We're here live in Rio de Janeiro. I wanted to share a little bit of the scenery with you. It's unbelievable. This is probably one of the most famous statues in all of the world. You've seen it in movies like Fast Five. I mean, it's pretty crazy. It's called, in English, it's called the Redemption of Christ, a statue. And it is truly an unreal feeling, especially for the Christian and the Catholics. It's something that's really unbelievable. If you take a look around, I just wanted to show everyone the scenery here. I mean, it's we are, I believe, I don't know, something like 50,000 feet in the air, some crazy number. And I mean, it's really something that you have to come out and see and check out for yourself. But I just wanted to share it with you. It's Saturday, so it is my day off. But I just wanted to let you guys in on this, all right? So if you guys get a chance to come out to Rio de Janeiro, there's a lot of beautiful women. There's beautiful food. The place is magnificent. Again, you can come visit the statue. And anyways, keep checking us out. See you tomorrow, man. Peace out.